Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to use rotate and mirror command. So firstly I'm going to draw anything rectangle, for example. So if I want to rotate this picture, I'm going to the rotate command, then select, then click enter. So it needs base point. As you see, picture is rotating. If I need to rotating the angle, I will write the rotation angle, for example, 30 degree. Then this picture is rotating 30 degree. For example, if I want to rotating 90 degree, I'm going to the rotate, then select picture, then click enter. So if I want to rotating 90 degree, I will add it from 30 degree. I will rotating 60 degree. For example, now I rotating 60 plus 30 will be equal 90. So 60 degree enter. So as you see, this picture is rotating in 90 degree. Okay, now I'm going to use mirror, for example. So now I want to draw uh, triangle, for example. So now if I want to do mirror for this picture, I'm going to the mirror, or I will write mirror mi double r or or, then click enter, then select this picture, click enter, then specify first point of mirror. So I click here, then I click enter. So as you see, now it is asked you erase source object. If you want to delete this source, you click yes. If you uh, uh, don't like to, to delete this source, then click no. Now this is mirror. Okay, if I want to delete the source, for example, I return back to the mirror, click mirror, then select picture, then click enter, specify base. Now I click yes to delete source. Yes, as you see, the source is deleted and this is the mirror picture. Thank you so much for watching.